In this video, we are going to discuss about HTML images. In web pages, we can handle images with the help of these HTML image tags. So we have a markup tag called img along with the attributes like alt, width, height, border, align, of course src. So we are going to control the images on the web pages with the help of all these. Let's look at a simple example of how can we insert an image in a web page. So let's look at the example. Doc type HTML open tag, HTML close, within this head part and body part. In the head part, let me add a title tag, and in the body, let me add image tag. In the image, I am going to specify the source of the image, and of course I am going to specify the height and width. And apart from this, we also specify the border. Let's look at this example. Index.html, save the file with this name. Now see the results. Yeah, this image height is 150, width is 200, and border is drawn with one pixel thickness, and of course the image name is img.jpg. And of course we do align equal to, if you say right, the alignment will happen to the right of the screen. And apart from that, there is one more attribute called alt. Alt will give you some information about the image. Let's say info. So when you place, the moment when you place this, that comes. Okay. This is about image tag. Forms are very important in HTML. In fact, this form tags helps you in accepting the user data by creating a form in a web page. Okay, form tag is actually a container tag where you are going to use different control tags to which helps you really to gather the information from users. So if you see the control fields, there is something called text box, password field, hidden field, label, checkbox, radio button, selection list, text area, file upload, button, image button. Let's look at these particular different control fields along with the form with the help of an example. So let's look at this example. So the first one is we have to write the form. So let me write the form tag. Inside the form tag, we are going to use all these controls, and of course within the form you have to specify the name of the form. The name of the form is, let us say, registration form, and of course here we have to specify two more attributes. One is like in which method you want to submit this data to the server, and of course which particular program is going to handle this. For these two, we are going to specify two attributes. Method, we have different methods like post method, get method, put method, etc. So we do discuss in detail about this method and action maybe at the time of PHP. So let's say control.php. As of now, we least bothered about these two attributes. Let's look at how to add the components. So let me add first label. What the label name is? Name of the candidate. Next one, I just want to add a text box. Input type equal to text, name equal to name of the candidate. So after that a break, and next I want to add password. So input type equal to password, and name of this particular attribute is pass, and of course confirm password. Let's say confirm password. cpass is the name of the text, name of the password box. Of course again it's a password, and after that I have something called gender. When I say gender, it should be like a radio button. So radio, input type equal to radio, name of this particular group is gender group. So value of this, I would say male, and female, and later on I want to add, what do you like, which color do you like. Let's say here I am going to give some check boxes. Check box, input type equal to checkbox, value of the checkbox is say red, blue, input type equal to checkbox, and of course green. That's it. Now let me go ahead with country selection. Select label, say select region, select your region. So now select, within this select open close tag we are going to write the options. Options are like India, China, Nepal, something like this. So after that I just want to add address box. Label, address, label close. Here I am going to preserve some text area. Text area of columns equal to say 20 columns, or let's say 50 columns we need, and rows are say, let us say 5 rows, and of course close this text area. That's all. What else is missing? Yeah, I want to attach some file. Input type equal to file, attach your resume, name equal to resume. The label for this is, let's say resume. And next one I want to add Button. Button can be added in two ways. One is like directly type input type equal to button and say the name of the button and of course value. There is a registration button, let's say, and value of the button. Value means the name on the top of the button that you need to specify in value. Submit or register, whatever you want. So this way you can add the button to the form, or else you can add button in another way by directly adding button tag. Let's say button, name of the button, something like that. Okay. Let me save the file and run how this particular program look like. Here we have a text box where you can enter some text. Here is the password field. You can select the gender like male or female, and you can like whatever colors you like, you can check, and of course you can write some address, and of course you can select the country. Okay, and choose the file. Let's choose this. So the file is attached here, and you do click on register finally. Okay, this is all about the components which are really useful at the time of creating forms. Apart from this, we also have something called hidden field. This hidden fields helps you while creating the session, or for session tracking purpose we use these hidden fields. As of now, I don't want to explain these hidden fields. I'll explain the hidden fields at the time of PHP. So apart from that, we use almost every control tag which we have here, right? So the last one is image button. If at all you want some image button, so then you can, with the help of input, type equal to image, and of course you have to specify the source where this image available. I have an image called img.jpg. I want to use the same, and you can specify width equal to say 50 and height equal to say 50. So small image button, you will get it. So let's look at the output. Okay, so here you can fill some data, address, some address, choose the file. Finally click on this button. Okay, the action taken place on control.php. This is all about form tags.